Now, we will have your Viper Tail original versus your Viper Tail fake one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Woo! Oh! Oh! Who's that? Original or the fake one? I think it's the fake one. Yeah! Original wins. Original wins. Again! Hey, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Ooh. Oh, 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 oh. Whoops. Oh, will win. Original or the fake one? Oh! It's a first finish for our... Is it? Yeah, it's for the original. So the original one wins for that round.